crafty friends, I'm so excited to share with you my final project for a Winter Wonderland YouTube hop, and I wanted to thank our hostess Debbie Adams and also all the other crafters who joined in with this YouTube hop. Everything has been amazing so far, and I can't wait to see what else everyone has created for today's YouTube hop. So I just wanted to let you know, first of all, this little mini album that I made, I'm going to show you the die that I used. So this is the KSCRAFT hairdresser theme calendar frame metal cutting die, and I will have the link down below in the description box for this. There is another little piece to it that actually has a really super cute standing mirror. That's an oval mirror that is a shaker. You can turn it into a shaker, so I thought that was really cute. Or you could just, you know, use it as a layered die. But first of all, I love how it has a little stitched edging. I don't know if you can tell from this, but if I flip the die over, you can definitely see the little stitched edging, and also I love the scallop. Okay, so this made it so easy for me that it also already had the holes, and I really love how it turned out. So my nephew lives in Texas, and as we know, it's supposed to be snowing soon there. So every once in a blue moon it will snow in North Texas. So I thought I would make my sister a really super cute quick mini album that she could you know, take photos from her phone and print them out on her little selfie printer. I guess that's what you want to call it anyway. I hope she loves it. And so let me just kind of go through what I did. So first of all, this little beanie hat, I did share this beanie hat with you all before on my previous project. That was the Cricut beanie hat, number M as in Michael 45, A as in Adam, and I believe it's O and D as in dog. Okay, the O could be a 0, but there wasn't a slash through it, so I'm just assuming it's an O for at this point. And this is actually from their Cricut files, is called Don Juan, and I thought this was really super cute. So we put these are actually his initials, but we call him Jeb. And with the little beanie hat, I created a shaker out of it, and I love how it turned out. And I did add a little fluff ball on top, so I think it turned out super cute. I used some seam binding ribbon that I had the white seam binding ribbon, and Debbie had gifted me some red seam binding ribbon, so I thought, why not put it on here? I think it'll look super cute. So the paper collection that I used is, again, Carta. So, oh my goodness, I can't believe I just had a brain fart on what it was called. All bundled up. I apologize, guys. Okay, so anyway, I really love how I popped up the stickers right here with some foam dots, and it says "Let It Snow," and then I have snowman, and then of course a little hat to symbolize Jeb's little hat. And then we go on to the next page, and this is where she can add her little photos. We have some little hot cocoa here. I know he's kind of young, so he might have hot cocoa in a bottle. Probably more or less milk chocolate, but probably not, because she doesn't really give him that stuff. But anyway, I thought this was really super cute. Maybe they could have a photo of them together, you know, with her drinking hot chocolate. Anyway, so I decided to leave a little area where she could slide the photo underneath the 2021. And again, that's that same Don Juan Cricut Alpha. And again, I popped up one of the stickers from the collection. And here is a sticker banner from the collection. And I also love the Fun and Frost family. That's super cute. And then she can just add the photo right on top right here. Again, I popped up the little Christmas tree, and it says play all, not Christmas tree, just a tree. Oh my goodness, and it kind of reminds me of the trees in Texas. They're usually bare in the wintertime, so, you know. But here we have play all day in the snow. I love that little banner right there. And again, we have another pop-up sticker. And then this, I thought the penguin was so adorable. And then we have little flurries here, and then again, you can put another photo. So, again, snowman, melt your heart, another banner. And again, I left a little space where she could tuck that photo underneath. And again, this is up on Pop Dots. And then this is another Cricut file. This is the ice skate, and that's exactly what it's called, just ice skate. And that one is M as in Michael 44224. And again, we have Let It Snow, and then she can just slide a little photo underneath here. And then again, we have right here, Hello There, another one of the flag banners. And again, I left areas where she could put the photo underneath there. And then we're coming towards the end. Again, we have Magic of the Snow. And again, you know, I always try to keep it where she can just slide the photo underneath. I think I need to, oh no, it's down there. Good. Okay. And then I love the little mittens. These were so cute. Snow angels, icicles, and then the little snowflake. So anyway, guys, don't forget to visit Rosa Kelly next. And I will have all the links down below for all the channels in the description box, as well as the codes for the ice skate, the beanie hat, and of course, for the KSCRAFT hairdresser theme calendar frame. So I just thought I would repurpose it, and I think it turned out super cute. So anyway, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. And guys, stay tuned. We are going to be having another YouTube hop coming up very soon. So I can't wait to share my projects with you for that too. Anyway, so bye, guys. Have a great one.